What's up, everybody? It's In Those Jeans Reacts. I'm Jordan. Today is Sunday, so we have Angelina Jordan. I'm gonna jump into the bag, see what we're getting. Not too many songs left, at least in my bag. Alright, we have Set Fire to the Rain, which I believe is an Adele song. And I did put at the Alex Theater. Of course, it's James. I'm kind of excited about this because her voice really fits like Adele songs. I'm pretty sure it's Adele song, and yeah, like I'm kind of excited to see what she does with it because Adele goes big in a lot of her songs, so I kind of hope she does the same thing. I'm trying to remember the song to remember if it has a big part in it. I don't know, but it has a lot of room to like do a bunch of different things with your voice, like runs and stuff like that. So I'm kind of excited to see what she does with it, since she does have that bluesy side to her. I know she can do that, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it. You guys hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel.
It was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My head, this road, well, my knees were far too weak to stay in your arms when I fall into your feet. And there's a side to you that I never do. Never true in the game you play. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain. Watch the colors out of your face. Why would I hurt you? Scream when I so pain. Your name. I lay with you.
Definitely didn't know I let it go for that long. So I'm wondering if this is like her first song out of the like coming out, because they were playing beforehand. She has this tone, which I don't know different tones or anything like that, but when she gets into like a lower tone, she does sound a lot like Adele. But yeah, I like how she started, where the music started playing and then she just came out, which some of the concerts I've been to have been somewhat like that. I've seen it a couple times with like some bigger like bands, but yeah, I mean, she sounds great so far. And I love like when she did the chorus, I think it was a background singer, like it was almost like a harmony that it just sounded really nice. But I'm gonna keep going. she's hitting some high, like not real high, but some higher notes in it too. One thing I did notice though is I don't know if it's a microphone or what, but like it sounds like she's cutting out, and I don't know if she's backing up too far from the mic or if it's the microphone itself, because it doesn't look like she's that far from the mic. So I'm thinking it may be the microphone itself. But if it's the first song of the night, I mean, it could be possible that they don't have everything in tune at the very beginning. But yeah, she sounds great. Like I mean, I've said it multiple times that I thought she would be like great in doing an Adele song, and I mean, she's just killing it. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep going, and I'm thinking I'm gonna have to pause one more time, unless she talks for a long time at the end. Then I may not pause. I don't know. So this was her first song. All right. Hopefully, I didn't let the end go too long. Man, she does such a great job at everything. And there was a part where she was hitting a big note, and she kind of backed up a little bit, and you could still hear her voice. So I'm thinking that maybe the microphone was cut down earlier whenever like it was just like missing a couple things. But yeah, I really like that song. It's one of my favorite songs. It's one of those songs that when it comes on the radio, if I'm in the car, I'm singing it. Well, if I'm in the car by myself and my son's in there, I'm not singing it, but I'm singing it at the top of my lungs. It's just one of those catchy songs that I love to listen to. Like I said, I do have a couple more songs I need to put in the bag that you guys have sent of Angelina, but other than I think it's 2 songs I need to put in here. Other than those 2 songs, that's all I have left. So I do not have a ton left, but I mean, you guys keep sending them, and I'll keep reacting to them. But if they run out, and then you guys decide to send more, then I'll get it back into it. But yeah, it is what it is, I guess. But I want to get off here. You guys hit that like button, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. Thank y'all for watching.